I've been running a successful real estate media company for the last 10 years, and I decided to walk away from it. To be honest, sometimes you have to walk away from things like that. Sometimes life throws things at you that really makes it kind of impossible not to. You have to make a decision, and sometimes it's super difficult to do. And you have to trust your gut and your feeling in a direction and go with it. I'm just gonna start this off as an introduction towards what I'm doing. Been doing things up from $0 to $20,000 per month. And why that number is because I myself, Philip, have been running a real estate media company for the last 10 years, except for when I paused it, right? And that includes photography, videography, aerial drone footage, including photos and videos. Anything that a real estate agent wants for any purpose of marketing, profiling videos. Here in Australia, we do a lot of auctions, and we do an auction profile video, which is pretty consistent as well. I was doing sometimes, 3 to 5 per weekend, pretty insane. And this is really just about sharing what I've learned across the years. And if I was to rebuild now, which is exactly what I'm doing, is share what I'm going to be doing. I have this knowledge base, and I'm more passionate about giving this knowledge to others to grow. I've trained a lot of people in the past, show the ropes. After you've done it for 10 years, you kind of do just want to pivot away and enjoy the other processes that come with running a business. Now, I probably need to frame a little bit as to why I stepped back and stopped. It wasn't really about hitting any ceiling. In the past, I definitely had some failures, some lessons that I had to go through. And to be honest, sometimes you do need to step away because there is something very personal to go through, and that's fine. Make that hard decision because it may not go the way you want it to. And I'm not saying these 2 years have been really bad, and I'm not saying these 2 years have been really good. I just know I had to go through it. And throughout that period of time of stopping, it really did make me reflect on what was actually really good about this business and what actually wasn't as good either. This time, I'm taking all my knowledge from what I've learned in the past with a fresh mindset as well. And I'm doing it right here, right now. This is a live take. I understand there's so many freelance photographers and videographers out there trying to get by and make an income. And I was there the first year going out and doing this. I made no money. So if you decide to watch this series, here are a few things that we're probably going over through this time period in real actual time. I'll be going through the methods I'm gaining clients, how I'm pricing things, the systems I'm doing, the outreach methods, be sharing you the real numbers, of course, all the wins, those successes that we bring, but they do also come with the failures. This is a reality. This is real. That's actually my business. Real TM, real tech and media. This is a real part of what I want to do. I am real. I want to give you a real, lesson here of my experiences. This is real proof of what's happening, nothing beyond it. And right now I am starting my business from zero. That's what it's about. And building it up to 20K so you can model it all for yourself. I hope you can follow along this series because I think it's going to be valuable for you. If you feel like you need a bit more clarification, you have any questions on this, feel free to comment on this. I'm happy to answer, especially through the series. It's more about building real freedom for people. Like, I did it and I put it on stop, but I'm here to show you from zero that it's all possible. If you want to do it through a camera, this is probably a good series to watch. So I hope you do.